In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable elastic audio in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to pick your track, and then you want to go to the very bottom left here of your track, and as you can see, there's this button. So you want to click on it or click anywhere inside this empty space, and as you can see, you have a few different options over here. So these over here are going to be basically the algorithms for your elastic audio, okay? So you have to pick any option of these over here. This first one you can see here is going to be for complex chords, pianos, or full mixes. Then this rhythmic one, the second one, is going to be mainly for drums and percussive sounds. Then this one over here is going to be for single notes, vocals, or bass. And then this one over here called Varispeed, it could be for tape style speed and pitch changes. And then you have this X form over here as well, which is for high quality rendering, okay? So of course this one is going to take the longest to process, but of course you can just select whichever one you want, and it's gonna enable elastic audio on your track. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.